Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So I had the honor of meeting and working with QB. QB was born with only use of one of his arms, and it's an inspiring story how we should never ever let things keep us from doing what we really want to do. He's only able to use his left arm. He loves motorcycles, always loved to ride, never let them stop him. He's had some of the most powerful street bikes on the market. Now he has a Victory Cross Country. He had the throttle control moved over to the left-hand side so he can throttle and clutch with the same hand, use a foot brake to slow down and stop. Not only does he ride, he's into custom motorcycles. All of his motorcycles have been customized, and we had the honor of building the audio for his current Victory. It's a great story, super inspiring story. He's a great guy. We had a lot of fun. One of the most touching parts of the story is he rides with his mom all the time. So he's only got use of one arm, doesn't let it stop him, has a fully custom bike, and his mom rides with him on the back. That is amazing. I love it. Check out the build. We built him a nice featherweight setup, and if SOS comes out with the bantamweight setup, that's the class he'll be in because these are stock bags. We did 10-inch mid-bass drivers, 3000.1 in the tour pack. We eliminated the 8-inch lid speakers, ran with block-off plates, 6.5 Cicada CHs in the tour pack, and 6.5 Cicada CHs in the fairing. 2 Sound Digital Evo X2 800.4s and a 3000.1 upgraded lithium battery. Bike sounds really good.
Chrome shoes paralyzed. Getting money like this, people want my vibe. Full of jealousy and pride, hate the way I ride. Sometimes you speak, sometimes you don't. Figure this nigga souped up, cause he cooped up. Guaranteed to rip shit soon as it's looped up. Young nigga slept, swear your girl's panties wasn't wet. I'm a star, double addicted, double R. Never struggle hard to lead a bubble scar. Not the car, it's the man. Daddy cool, put it down. No comparing me to y'all. Niggas are circus clowns. LA work paper. Ask Russell Simmons who put him up in that skyscraper. Ask my dogs up at Boo who made a major. LL nigga, now who's made?
I never thought I'd see the day that you my old girl. Now I'm stuck here hollering at old girl. Got one, got two, three, four girls. Shotgun in a drop, made a right. Hut one, hut two, told them take a hike. Then it's on to the next, on to the next one. Hard to move on when you always regret one.
I wonder
sometimes I wondered if I was wrong. Lucky girl, she got married to a boy like you. She kick you out if she ever out of it. You tell me that you do. Dirty, dirty boy. You know everyone is talking on the scene. I hear them whispering about the places that you clean and how you don't know how to keep your business clean. Mommy don't know that he's getting hot out the body shop, doing something unholy. He's still quick when he's dropping it. She be popping it. She's alright. That girl's alright with me. Yeah.
Hey yo, I can lick it, I can ride it while you slipping and sliding. I can do all them little tricks and keep the dick up inside it. You can smack it, you can grip it, you can go down and kiss it. And every time he leave me alone, he always tell me he miss it. He wanna One thing about me, I'm the baddest alive.
Hey yo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Blaze the house.
Exact the sound like Kevin. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My mom, make the cow, come and get some. Play our position. High Nixon, this one. For all the sick ones, infliction, poisonous, dark sickness. Best believe it.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roseville, New Jersey. QB took the ride from Pennsylvania to New Jersey to get the audio upgrade on his bike. Are you completely happy with the upgrade?
Yes, I am, and love the lunch too.
Was it worth the trip?
Yes, it was, most definitely.
Thank you for trusting us.
You're welcome.